You like that? Go in there. Go play. Yeah, you want to run? Come on. Simba. Simba. Don't get blown down current. Look at him go. Aspen's face is so white.
Yeah, he shoved his face in.
That's what Simba does. Out. Go. 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 Don't you shake over here. Aspen, go. Go on. Go on. Saturn, go play with him. Go get him. I kind of want to go in. With my shoes. I want to go to the other side.
How do you get to the other side?
Oh, you walk across.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
Why?
Hello?
Put all your stuff in the bags.
What?
Yeah.
I got boxers under here.
Yeah, so I got underwear under here.
Oh, you're just going to go in the underwear section?
No. I walk in my shorts. Oh, man. Over the place. Go on.
Fuck.
He's a natural. But he doesn't know that there's rocks underneath. Simba! Who is it? Simba! Simba! Aspen, you want something? You want this, boy? Sit. Look, boys. Ready? Sit. Look, ready? Sit. Simba, sit. Well, you mean like...